This is somewhat, somewhat theoretical question. So let me explain you a bit first. Only then we'll answer. Okay. So the pressure, this mean systemic filling pressure. First of all, know what's mean systemic filling pressure. It's the pressure in systemic. So first of all, I'll tell definition, and of course, then I'll explain it. Pressure in the systemic circulation when there is an equilibrium between venous and arterial pressures. Okay, the both ends have equal pressure. There is equilibrium, and when that pressure, when both of them attain same pressure, due to cessation of blood flow. When does this occur? When the venous and arterial system both have same pressures. When the heart is not pumping, or there is some sort of cessation of blood flow, basically. Okay, that is called mean systemic filling pressure. Got it? Screenshot this thing. This is important concept. You should never. And at mean systemic filling pressure, when all the flow is stationary, right atrial pressure is experimentally found out to be 7 millimeter of Hg. This is a theoretical thing. There is no formula for this. But when you occlude any one of the vessel from heart circulation and the whole circulation stops, when you measure the right atrial pressure, it will come out to be 7 millimeter of Hg. This is the rule of thumb. This is an important concept. This is tested. So which of the following closely, represents 3.3, right? And let's see what they are saying in the question. To study the flow of blood in the okay, there were partially occlusive stents placed in pulmonary trunk. Basically, we are scissating the circulation. Now the pressure in right atrium is monitored. In the graph at which right atrial pressure into function assume all the circulatory. Okay. This all is like, we don't have any reflexes when we are doing experiment because it's done, in vitro. So yes. So when you're scissating all the function, the venous return becomes 0. So here the 0 it is. Then, so the curve will come out to be here on the x-axis only. So which of this is 7? Option 3, right? Option 3. I know many of you didn't know this 7 thing, so I'm not here saying that you got it wrong. But know this, shouldn't make it wrong again. So answer is 0.3.
Thanks for watching. Please give a thumbs up and subscribe for more.